and get some rubbish. Yay, we did it. There's a tarantula right there. It nearly bit you guys.
Where is it? I can't see anything.
Just go a little bit further.
What, a little bit further? What?
Yeah. We need a lawnmower to go out so we can see the spider more. Let's get the lawnmowers. Daddy, have you safety? Can you hit that subscriber on it so it can get to 100 subscribers?
Banana phone? Come on, let's go play.
That is mine.
Oh, no.
It's mine.
Okay, give it back.
I want it.
You guys are fighting too much. You need to go outside. You need to go out now.
Dad, there was a pool instead of a banana.
Hi. Yep. I need something really scary. Really scary. Hello, minmin Playtime. Can you get me something scarier, please?
Really scary.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Let's play a trick on Dad. Yeah. Can I play buy a puzzle so we can play tricks on our dad? But really scary. The scariest thing in the entire university. Everybody loves Bluey! A garbage truck! I found rubbish in the bin! Look, I got the characters! Bluey is in the bin and shut the lid. This is really the only one in my characters! What's in here? rivals in here. It's rubbish day, we're going to drive off and get to bed. And putting in the for the yellow one, put it
Come on, let's go play.
I need a lawnmower. That's big one. It's on 3. Wait, 2, 1. Come on, the lawnmower.
Yeah!
That hurt. Maybe I need a leaf blower trampoline. Yeah, I gotta go get the leaf blower.
What?
Who's over there? Where did they come from? Give me 1, 2, 3,
Let me try. How about you? Can you try? No.
If you want some more, you have to do your job.
So what is job?
You have to go and feed the chickens and get the egg.
Okay, let's go.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Let's go.
You can have a prize too.
Yes. It's the lawnmower, and if I mow it, it puts out bubbles.
Yeah, open your mouth. Is that where we put the bubbles in?
Yeah.
Yeah, open your mouth. Paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright. See these two? Oh man! Right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
We split it open. Now let's press this button. Now let's press God. Right here.
Yeah. Oh. Whoa, it's heavy. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, wow.
Now let's do the next colour.
Here we go. Whoa, it's really heavy. Doing it. Keep going, bro. Keep going. Oh, there we go.
What colour? Let's do green next.
Ready? Close the lid. Two.
Please like and subscribe. Wow! That sounds good. This button makes this turn, look.
What is it?
It's a little mower.
What does it do?
It sounds like fun, just to tell you guys.
Whoa. So cool, Hamish. Look what you got. A chainsaw.
And it's got an independent. Chop some.
Coming up, we're learning about lawnmowers today. The push lawnmower, the hedge trimmer, and we use our tools to fix the weed eater. We get to meet our new minmin Playtime chickens. And our Blippi toy comes to check out our little Tykes Gas and Go lawnmower. Hello! We've also got our minmin Playtime present to open. I wonder what's inside. Come on, let's go play.
Safety, and sunglasses.
We're getting ready to mow the lawns. We've got all our safety gear. We're putting on our safety shirt, our boots, our safety glasses, and our ear protection.
Wow.
Dad needs his boots and his gloves. Now we're ready to mow the lawn. These are all the garden tools we're going to use today. We've got the whippersnipper, the John Deere toy whippersnipper, the hedge trimmer, and our push lawnmower. First we need to move the baby chickens out the way so we can mow the lawn. This is our new baby chicken and her name is Red. This baby chicken is called Blueberry. We're going to pop them in here with the guinea pig and the rabbit, so they're out the way when we do all our yard work. We've got 3 baby chickens. This baby chicken's name is Poppy. Oh, isn't she lovely? Now all 3 chickens are away, we can do some yard work. This is the whippersnipper, or you might call it a weed eater. The whippersnipper's good for getting all the long grass around the edges. We can cut the grass on the edge of the cubby house and cut the grass under the slide. We've got lots of work to do today. Lucky our friends are here to help us. Can you make the noise the whippersnipper makes? Oh, look! Something's happened to the whippersnipper. It's not working. Let's use our tools to fix it. We can use the hammer and the screwdriver. Let's use this spanner. See if we can tighten this up and fix the whippersnipper. Do you think the saw might help? There, that's better. Now the whippersnipper's ready to go. The next job we need to do today is the hedge trimming. This is the John Deere toy hedge trimmer, but it's not working properly. Do you know what we need to fix it? That's right, we can use our tools to fix it. Put a little bit of oil in. Let's see if that helps. It's still a bit stuck. Maybe we also need some tools to help fix the hedge trimmer toy. This hammer will help fix the toy. There we go. That's working much better now. Coming up. A power drill, an electric sander, a wood saw. We're learning about power tools today. Come on, let's go play. These are acro canes, and today we're going to make some. First we need to use this saw to cut the wood.
Alright, just hold it. Yeah. When it's cutting that, it's going to come down. I'll get this close to you, alright? Get this out, Hamish.
This is the electric sander.
Right, you ready?
We can use this power tool to smooth the edges. This is the drill. First we drill the holes, and then we use the drill to put the screws in. Screw the arms on. We use this pen to mark where we need to drill the holes. This is the drill bit for drilling the holes. This is the angle grinder. And look at that! We've made a set of acro canes.
Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha!
It's so much fun.
I'm bored.
Yeah, we're bored.
Oh, wait, I just realised.
Yeah, the grass is so long.
Ooh.
It's like about up to my leg.
Look how long this piece of grass is.
Look how long this piece of glass is. Minmin, playtime, magic! Tap, tap. We got scissors! Scissors! Let's tap. I actually tried to along this bit. Look how long this is. I think this is a bit too hard. This is going to take ages. We need something bigger and better. Tap, tap. Magic, we can use it to cut the grass.
Hey guys, I don't think this is working very well.
Magic and minute. Bigger. Magic, magic. Lawn mower! We need something even more bigger. Minmin playtime magic. Magic, magic, spin. Dad, we need you to use a lawnmower. Wow! It's touchdown, Dad. This button makes this turn, look.
Coming up, new construction trucks and a crane rescue. A banana phone?
Minmin Playtime Rescue, what's your emergency?
Oh no! Come on, let's go play. Minmin Playtime.
I'm at a tool for help. Minmin Playtime Rescue, what's your emergency? Please help. Okay, I'll be right there. Hi, this truck's way too small. I'll need a bigger one.
Hello, big cranes.
Oh, my crane! It fell in the pool! Please, help!
Right, I'll be right there. Okay, bye.
We've got a problem. I need a deep sea rescue.
I'll be right there.
Let's go play.
I wonder how we're gonna blow it up. I know, I can blow it up with
Oh, man.
Coming up. Come on, let's go play.
blow that cheese bubble. So done. What is it? Blow it up, boys. It's like I've done the bubbles. 4 hours later. Yeah, bubbles. Shelby. It can move the bubble. Now over here. You don't do much open my eyes. Today we're trying to open up this minmin Playtime present. I hope it's something good. My glasses fell off.
Guys, there's a giant present.
What is it?
It is a dinosaur. Oh,
I think I made the dinosaur mad.
get out of here, rubbish.
I'm snail.
I'll just put you right there, buddy. Giant dog. Oh, guys. Wow. Oh, look at his eyes. Wow. Buddy, and listen to the eyes. Make sure to like and subscribe. 2, 1. Control fire truck.
That's the remote control. And this is a fire truck. Go this part, up, forwards and backwards.